This Hoover washing machine has all the space you need to easily handle the family's laundry, so you can stay on top of it without hassle. There's room for more clothes in every load, allowing you to get more in fewer washes thanks to the 9 kilogram capacity. And with a large porthole door to match the large drum, loading even the bulkiest items is a breeze. Get your clothes clean and ready again in a flash with a handy daily 59-minute program that saves time. Adjust the wash to suit your needs with 3 levels of intensity to choose from on the stain level button.